All right, guys, we're going to work on some more multiplication. Today, our factors are 5 and 10. So we're practicing multiplying by 5s and by 10s. I think the easiest way to do these is going to be skip counting. We're very familiar with skip counting by 5s and 10s, something you've done for a long time. So we'll start with the 5s. So skip count by 5s is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. That's really as far as we need to go for the multiplication today. So let's say you have 5 times 3. So in your head, you're thinking skip count by 5s 3 times. So you're going to go 5, 10, 15. Stop. What I like to do is put my fingers up. 5, 5, 10, 15. 3 got me to 15. Try a harder one. Do 5 times 12. Okay, again, I like to use my hands. So I'll go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I'm at 10, 55, 60. So that 5 times 12 gets you all the way to 60. That's going to be the easiest way with those times 5s. It's just multiplying or just doing that skip counting. And they'll become something you remember really easy and memorize those pretty quickly. But yeah, focus on the skip counting for the 5s because that's something that we've worked on really since first grade. All right, next up, 10s. 10s, I think, are one of the easiest ones. If you notice, there's a pattern. So, for example, 60 is 10 times 6. And when you look at it, the 6 times the 10, really all you're doing is you're adding a 0 onto the 6, right? And what it's doing is that times 10 is moving you up a place value. So it's taking that 6, moving it up a place value, making it 60, okay? So one way I like to do this in my head is whenever I'm doing times 10s is I just plop a 0 behind the number. So let's say I have 10 times 8. Well, all I'm doing is taking a 0, putting it behind this 8, and getting 80. Okay, you'll start to see that pattern grow there. So that's one way you can do it, is just knowing that anytime you multiply by 10, you're putting a 0 on the back of the number. Another way you can think about it is skip counting, just like we did up above. So let's say I have 4 times 10. Okay, skip counting by 10, something you've worked on, again, since first grade. So it's going to be pretty simple. So I'm going by 10s, skip count by 10s 4 times. 10, 20, 30, 40. Got to 4, so my answer is 40. Okay, let's try. Let's do 8. All right, 8 times 10. Okay, so I'm going to go 5, 10, scratch, wrong thing. Doing by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Got to 8, answer's 80. Okay, so this is really easing our way into this, and I think these are going to be pretty easy for you. So again, you can either skip count, or with the 10s, you can kind of do that magic 0 trick where you just plop a 0 on the end. And you can always draw pictures too. The problem when you get to here is that you're going to be drawing a lot more. So your pictures are going to be bigger, your arrays are going to be bigger. So I think the skip counting is a little easier strategy. So if you have any questions, please private message me on Google Classroom. And other than that, nice job. Good luck.